Welcome to another training video from XMPRO. Today we'll be looking at calendar and how to use it in App Designer. The calendar control can be found under the basic category, or we can search it from the search text box. Now we can check it to the box that we want to display. And we save it as it is to show you the default layout of the control. The calendar control has 3 buttons on the top, arrow buttons on the left and right for you to navigate between different months, and a zoom out button in the middle. So when you click on it, it will change the field from month to year, year to decade, decade to century. And also we can zoom back in by clicking any button underneath. Now I will show you the configuration of the calendar control. Under Appearance, you will see the visible option that would be the same as the other App Designer controls. The Show Today's button, when you check on it, it will add a button on the calendar control. When the users select that button, it will directly select today's day. You can also change the default zoom level to be displayed in the launch mode, as well as the minimum zoom out level and the maximum zoom in level. So now we can change the zoom level to year, minimum zoom out level to decade, and the maximum zoom in level to year. We can also specify 2 tips for this control. So when the user hovers the cursor on the control, we display the text you specify here. Now you see the calendar control no longer display the dates of the month, but it will display the month of the year. And when you click on the zoom out button, it will no longer go into the century level. And when you try to zoom in, you no longer go into the month level. And now, if you want the user only able to specify the selected date range, specified date range, we can specify under the behavior. So we can specify the minimum and the maximum date. So we can select the 1st of September up till to 31st of October. We can also change the date, change the first day of the week from Sunday to any day of the week. And change it to Monday. If you don't want the user to be able to select the date and navigate between different months, we can change the option to true for disabled. If you just don't want the user select any date from the calendar, we can change the read only option to true. In here, we can also specify the selected value. It can be either a static value or bind it into a variables. And now we change the maximum zooming level back to months. Launch it. You will see the user can no longer select any date outside September and October. And when we zoom into September, you will see the first day of September has been selected. Also, when we want to disable any individual dates, we can go into the properties again. We can specify the dates we want to disable. And we can also change the mode of the disabled dates to dynamic data source if we want the dates coming from the data source. and I will see 14th of September is disabled. And this is how we configure the calendar control. Thank you for watching.